Are you tired of Googling diet plans that don't work for your body or lifestyle? Imagine having your own personal AI nutritionist, available 24/7, who understands your goals, preferences, and even allergies. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the smartest AI tools to make your life easier, healthier, and more productive. Today, we're reviewing a cutting-edge platform that's changing the way people eat, plan, and stay healthy. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle, manage a condition like diabetes, or just eat better, this AI can help. The star of today's video is an AI-powered platform that uses advanced natural language processing and nutrition databases to generate tailor-made meal plans based on your specific input. Want a high-protein vegan plan? Need low-carb, gluten-free meals for managing your blood sugar? Only eat 2 meals a day during intermittent fasting? No problem. You just enter your goals, food preferences, allergies, and schedule, and boom. The AI delivers a full meal plan with macros, ingredients, and preparation instructions. This AI might just replace your dietitian. Here's how easy it is to create your personalized diet plan. Step 1. Choose your goal, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, clean eating, keto, or something else. Step 2. Enter your preferences, like vegetarian, dairy-free, or Mediterranean. Step 3. Set your daily schedule. Decide how many meals and snacks you want. Step 4. Let the AI build your plan. It instantly generates a detailed daily meal plan, including calorie breakdowns and macro targets. Want to tweak it? You can regenerate meals with one click. It's that simple and efficient. This AI stands out for several reasons. Speed. It builds your meal plan in literal seconds. Personalization. No cookie-cutter plans here. Science-backed. It uses verified nutrition data to optimize your intake. Editable. Don't like broccoli? Swap it out instantly. Shopping list. It even gives you a full grocery list for the week. This isn't just for weight loss. It's great for busy professionals, athletes, families, and even people managing chronic health issues. Gives you control, clarity, and confidence without the stress. Who can benefit from this AI nutritionist? Fitness junkies who want gains without meal prep confusion. Busy parents who want to eat healthier without wasting time. People with dietary restrictions who need a plan that works. Anyone tired of generic diets that never fit their life. This AI is designed to cater to a wide range of needs, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to improve their diet and health. Of course, no tool is perfect. If you don't input accurate info, you'll get inaccurate results. It doesn't replace a medical diagnosis. Always consult a doctor if needed. You still have to cook, unless you outsource that too. But compared to manually designing meal plans or paying for consultations, this is a huge time and money saver. It's important to use it as a guide and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Most of these tools offer a free trial or demo mode, with affordable monthly pricing usually under $20 per month. Some even integrate with fitness apps like MyFitnessPal or Fitbit. And the best part? You don't need to download anything. It runs in your browser, making it easily accessible from anywhere. So, should you try this AI diet planner? If you value your time, want to hit your health goals faster, and prefer personalized over generic, then yes. It's like having a smart, attentive diet coach that never sleeps, never judges, and always updates based on your needs. What kind of diet plan would you want this AI to build for you? Comment below. We love hearing your goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more Faceless reviews of the world's smartest tools for earning, learning, and living better. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who needs a food game changer. Until next time, stay healthy and let AI do the meal planning for you.